Hello, I'm Scott from the Museum of Money channel. I'm going to do a completely different video today. I'm going to show you guys how much I make and is it worth it? So with no further ado, let's get into the graph and I will show you exactly how much I made this year. All right, let's go. All right, so with this first slide, you can see I made 887.6 thousand views with 9.4 thousand watch hours, and I've gained 6,600 people for subscribers, and I made $651.89. I appreciate everybody that subscribed. I have 24,229 as of today, so I appreciate it. Today I've gained, well, not today, but the last 48 hours, I had 4,440 views, which it comes out to 2,220 views per day. Um, so I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you all. So on the second slide, you can see I made $651.89. And the RPM is 73 cents, which is how much I make per 1,000 views from YouTube. And if you look on the bottom, you can see I made about 71 videos last year. And then with this slide, you can see my total views, my watch hours, um, time duration. That's what you guys watch on average, and how much I've made per month. So that's what this graph is. So in conclusion, you can see I don't make a ton of money, but I do enjoy filming the coins and putting them on YouTube. So it's kind of like my virtual coin collection that I'm sharing with the world. That's all I got to say. Thank you for watching. And remember, if you like these videos, subscribe for more. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye. All right, welcome. This is going to be a different video today. Today I am going to show you, let's just bang things around. 6,000, 600,000. So at the second slide, hold on, let me save it first. And I gained 6.6 thousand subscribers. So I went from, where's my little notes?